information. The reason you have received this phone call from our department is to inform you that there's illegal enforcement actions filed on your social security number for fraudulent activities. So when you get this message, kindly call back at the earliest possible on our number before we begin with the legal proceedings. That is 58029784993. I repeat, 58029784993. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello, this is the payment department calling from UMA with a courtesy reminder. Unfortunately, your credit card was recently declined while trying to process the payment for monthly taxes and fees for your UMA telephone service. It appears that the credit card we have on file is either invalid or expired. Please update your credit card information as soon as possible so we can process your payment and avoid any disruption to your UMA telephone service. You can update your credit card information online at my.uma.com or by calling 888-711-6662. You are a valued customer and we look forward to serving your needs. Thank you for your attention to this matter.